Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain why the TikTok app is not working, showing network errors, or getting stuck on the loading screen, and what you can do to fix it. If you're facing this problem, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. As soon as the app opens, you may notice that videos are not loading, the search bar isn't working, or you're getting a no internet connection or network error message. Now, if you're seeing any of these problems, don't worry, you're not alone. Right now, many users around the world are facing the same TikTok issues. Let me explain why this is happening. In most cases, this problem appears when TikTok's servers are temporarily down or under heavy load. When the servers can't respond properly, the app may fail to load videos, show network errors, or get stuck on the loading screen. If you check outage reports, you'll often see a big spike in reported problems, which means thousands of users are experiencing this issue at the same time. So, what should you do to fix this? If TikTok servers are down, there's nothing wrong with your phone or internet. This is a server-side issue, and it usually gets fixed automatically. All you need to do is wait for some time and try again later. Once TikTok fixes the server problem, the app will start working normally on its own. However, just to be safe, you can also restart your phone, check your internet connection, and make sure your TikTok app is updated. And that's it. If you have any questions or you're facing a different TikTok issue, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes like this.